Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use teamwork.com for online collaboration, your full 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to create an account. Simply head on over to teamwork.com and click Try It Free. Fill in your details and you're all set. This initial step is vital as it provides you with your own space to manage projects and collaborate with your team. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating our first project. Click Add Project on the dashboard, name your project, set a description and due dates to keep everyone on track. This helps us to organize our work and establish a clear timeline for completion. Next up, we're going to add team members to our project. Click on your project, then select People and Invite. Add the email addresses of your team members and hit Send. The reason we do this is to ensure all relevant individuals have access to the project and can contribute their input. Now, let's assign some tasks. Click the Task tab, then add a task, describe it, set a deadline, and assign it to a team member. This is a key part of the process because it delegates responsibilities and sets clear expectations for every team member. Finally, we want to ensure everyone stays updated. We do this by utilizing the Messages feature. You can send general updates or specific messages to team members. This is crucial as it facilitates communication, keeping everyone in the loop. Let me explain why this matters. Online collaboration tools like teamwork.com streamline the process of working together, especially for remote teams. They centralize communication, task management, and project tracking, making collaboration more efficient and productive. And there you have it, a quick guide to using teamwork.com for online collaboration. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized, delegate tasks clearly, and communicate regularly. Thank you for joining us on this quick guide. Keep collaborating, keep achieving, and see you in our next tutorial.